Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the lighting. I literally was setting up my camera and lighting equipment to film this video, and I plugged my light in, my ring light that I use for all my videos, and it won't turn on. I don't know if the bulb is dead or the light is dead. I don't know. My husband's gonna look at it. But in any case, I apologize for the lighting in this video, but I got a package in the mail today that I just wanted to film and share with you guys, especially with the Mother's Day holiday coming up. And this is honestly just like a good gift to, give at any time of year or for yourself, because honestly, I'm all for treating yourself. It is a subscription box. Here it is here. It is different from the subscription boxes that I have unboxed on this channel before. Typically, I unbox like fashion and beauty boxes or like lifestyle boxes. However, this one is a snack box and it is called Elevated. The brand is called Elevated, and they specialize in healthier snacks. So if you go on their website, which I will leave a link to in the description below this video, you will see what they offer in their boxes. But they are healthier snacks, which is great for me because this year I have really been focused on trying to snack healthier because I'm so guilty of reaching for the unhealthy snacks. And I think my biggest problem was that I always tried healthier snacks but never found anything that I thought was good or that I liked, and I thought they were like didn't have taste or was awful, so like I was like gross and would just reach for the unhealthy snacks. But this, however, I received this box once before last year and the snacks were so good that I ended up repurchasing a lot of them from this store, and I thought it was great. I also have a discount code which I will share with you at the end of this video after I unbox, so be sure to stay tuned for that, and let's get into this unboxing. So here's the box here. If you can see it, it is the Elevate plant-based snack box. It is packed with protein, core nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and these snacks inside are vegan. So I'm not a vegan, like I don't follow the vegan diet. However, I'm all for trying new things all the time, and if a snack is healthier, I'll try it out because I'm trying to be healthier this year. So here it is packed with all kinds of good snacks, and right off the bat I actually see these veggie sticks from Good Health Positively Snackable. I had these before and I absolutely love them. They're so good. They don't taste like vegetables. They actually taste like a chip snack, but they're really good. Love these. Then we got the Bada Bean Bada Boom beans. This one is Mesquite Barbecue Crunchy broad beans. They're 100 calories. I tried some of these bean snacks before, but I don't believe it was this flavor, so I'm excited to try these out. I like barbecue. And then there is the sweet sriracha, and they are here. My husband would like these, so that's exciting. Then there is the Eden pumpkin seeds. They are dry roasted and organic. Again, a snack that I know my husband will love because he's big into sunflower seeds, and I believe he's tried pumpkin seeds before and he liked them. They're actually really good. Then we got some fruit snacks from Yum Earth. They were organic fruit snacks. I've never tried this brand or these fruit snacks, but I do love fruit snacks, so I'm excited to try these out. It says no artificial dyes. They are non-GMO, gluten-free, USDA organic, vegan, and allergy-friendly. So if you're looking for a snack for your kids maybe that, are healthy, maybe try these. And then they included some snacks that actually were my favorite snacks from the last box I received. And they are these soft-baked mini cookies from Enjoy Life. There is the Snickerdoodle cookies and then the double chocolate brownie cookies. These double chocolate brownie cookies are so good. You honestly wouldn't know that they are like healthier or like a healthier option. They are allergy friendly, gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. So here's a little background. When it comes to gluten-free snacks, I've tried a lot of gluten-free snacks, and because I sometimes have stomach problems, and I've tried a lot of gluten-free snacks to see if like they help me at all. And I tend to not like them because I feel like they don't have as much flavor or taste than, the alternative, like regular kind of that product. However, these you would literally never know. They're so good. I think they actually taste like chocolate brownie cookies. They're amazing. And I'm so upset because I've actually looked at my grocery store to see if I could find these to repurchase, and I don't believe they have them. So I look every time that I shop. Then another brand that's really good, and I actually repurchased these before after the last box, they are from Made Good. They're the mixed berry granola minis. Here they are here. And these are really good. They also came in the chocolate chip granola minis, which are also really good. When I repurchased them, I believe I bought like apple cinnamon, I think it was, and they're really, really good. So like if you like granola bars and are looking for maybe a less messy, different alternative to that, those I highly recommend. And then another product from Made Good is the Vanilla Crispy Square, free from nuts and safe for schools, organic nutrients from vegetables. So this is like a Rice Krispie bar, but a little bit healthier, and they're free from nuts. So I know a lot of schools nowadays, because so many kids have peanut allergies, they actually have guidelines to what kind of lunches or snacks you can bring in for your child, or for like if the class is having a party and your child wants to bring something in. There's very strict guidelines nowadays. So if these are safe for schools, I definitely recommend. Then we have the crunchy rollers from Friendly Grains. They're like rice cakes, but like in roll form. I think that these are really great. I've got like peanut butter that I can dip these in, or some hummus or something. So I like a good rice cake. Then we've got some peanut butter bites. I believe my husband took these from the last box because he loves peanut butter. So I'll have to ask him what he thought of these. And I believe he thought they were good. So I'm sure he'll try and steal these from me again this time. And it says Cocoa Crunch on it. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, all natural, and plant-based. And then we have Bobo's Oat Bites. It is a lemon poppy seed oat bite. Here. One thing about this box is there's a lot of brands that I never heard of before. I know there's some like smaller brands in here, so that's good to like, you know, try out things from smaller businesses. And they're honestly snacks that I never would have thought of or like heard of before, like a lemon poppy seed oat bite. I couldn't tell you what that is, but like it's so interesting to me. Then we've got the Towels Bakes PB chocolate and butterscotch bar. Here is creamy chocolate infused with rich butterscotch. It says from an alternate universe. So this looks really good. I don't remember if I tried this from last box or if my husband did. Again, it is gluten-free. So if you have any like stomach issues or have to stick to a strict gluten-free diet, here is a good snack for you. Then we have the Jana Banana Original Banana Bar with peanut butter. I believe I tried this from the last box and I liked it. It was good. I'm like really into bananas. Like I've been eating a banana every day for the past few weeks, and I don't know. I feel like for a while I stopped eating bananas. Something about the texture of bananas just like freaked me out, but they're actually pretty good. And so I think that I will probably like this more now than I did before, because I like have this newfound obsession with eating bananas. It's actually made in Brazil. 3 more snacks. I know this box was like full of snacks. There's a lot in here. So first we have this Eat Your Coffee caffeinated snack bite in cocoa espresso. So it says a shot of espresso in every bar. So it's like a little coffee bar. I think that's really neat. I'm not a coffee drinker, but my husband is, so I know he will love this. But I am a chocolate lover, so I might need this. Then one of my favorite snacks, the Cars Original Trail Mix. This trail mix is gluten-free. I love trail mix. I think it's just such an easy snack, and that, you know, it's got salt, it's got sweet. Like this one has raisins and peanuts and almonds and sunflower kernels, which I'll have to hide these from my husband because he loves sunflower seeds. But I really like trail mix. I think it's such a good snack. And lastly, we have Wonderful Roasted and Salted Pistachios. They have no shells and they're 120 calories. Again, I really like pistachios, so I will probably actually eat these like probably tonight. But anyway, so these are really good. So altogether, there were 20 snacks in here, which is a decent amount of snacks. They're all healthy, and I'm excited to try them out. Compared to the box that I received last year, there were a lot of similar snacks, which I'm excited about because the snacks that are similar I actually really liked, so I'm excited to get them again. Some of them I didn't get in the last box. Like the fruit snacks were new, and then some of them had different flavors. Like I believe the barbecue beans, I don't think I had those last time, and the Made Good granola bites I feel like are different flavors. So I'm excited to try those out as well. So this box is the vegan box, like I said, 20 count, and it is $42.97 is the price. And the boxes have all free shipping. They also have a keto friendly box, which is $43.97, and you get 15 snacks in there. So if you're following a strict keto diet, this may be a good box to try out some new snacks. Like I said, they're great for gifts or for treating yourself. Mother's Day is coming up, Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, whatever holiday. If you know somebody who likes to try out healthy snacks or is just looking for something different, this box is a great idea for a gift or to treat yourself. So you can purchase the boxes on a one-off basis, or you can do a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, and they will give you different snacks each month. Like I said, there is free shipping on all the boxes, and I do have a discount code if you are looking to try out a box and want a discount. The discount is BLISS10. I will put it here on the screen, and I will put it in the description down below. Bliss for my blog, Unbreakable Bliss, so BLISS10, and it will get you a discount on your box. So I hope that you guys like this video. I know this box is different from some of the other boxes that I featured on this channel, but then again, I've also featured like a Disney candle box. You really never know what you're in for when it comes to subscription boxes, and I love unboxing subscription boxes for you guys and showing you guys what there is out there, because there's really so many subscription boxes out there that like are just so awesome, and you really just love, I mean, me personally, I love getting a gift on my porch each month. So this is really great. If there are any other subscription boxes out there that you want to see me unbox, please let me know and I will try and get my hands on them. If you have any questions about this subscription box, please reach out to me and I will do my best to answer them. If not, I will reach out to the fine folks at Elevate and I will ask them to answer your questions. So please let me know if you have any questions. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.